supplementary list, item number 1.
This is an appeal against a state order. There is a delay, my lord. But there is some mistake in the condonation application. I'm praying for liberty to withdraw and file afresh.
Only the condonation application?
Only the condonation.
Yes, take down. Miscase number, miscase under excise, bracket AP, number 3, 2023, stop. Dr. N. Mojika, Leonard DSEI. Prays that we are allowed to withdraw this condonation application in view of certain defects and be allowed to file afresh. Prayers allowed with liberty as prayed.
Yes.
Item number 2.
Lordship, we are awaiting instructions in this from.
What's the matter about?
This is regarding appointment of teachers. They are alleging that they have been appointed dehorsed the rules.
Yeah, actually it's not a case for PIL anyway. MS T. Yangi, B. Leonard EAG, which so submits that instructions have to be received.
3 weeks time.
This is matter of 3 weeks, yes.
Item number 3.
This is to be listed before some other bench, my lord. The judgment was passed by lordship.
This is bench without one of us, bracket. HS. Yes. Yes. And a main list.
Main list, item number 1.
Maybe so this is an appeal filed by the department, income tax appeal. There is a delay of 917 days. But in fact, initially the appeal was filed before the Honorable Guwahati High Court. In the meantime, a judgment of Honorable Supreme Court came, where it says that the appeal lies to the Judicial High Court, where the assessing order has been passed. Thereafter, we withdraw the appeal, and we filed the here in the month of July. And so there is a delay of 150 days, in fact. But if you calculate the entire day, then it is 917 days.
Well, we have to issue notice, even nevertheless.
Opposite party is appeared, they filed their objection also.
They appear to file objection. Who's appearing opposite party?
One PK Sharma is appearing.
Who?
PK Sharma is from Guwahati.
Where is Mr. PK Sharma today?
But they file.
MSR Kolni, where is she?
Actually, Ms. Kolni is on legs in court number 3.
Yes, division bench proceedings. She asked her to come.
You want to let it come up and
After some time?
Not.
Yes.
Item number 2.
Upstairs, outside. Sure.
May it please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, the pleadings are complete. If the matter could come up for hearing.
let the matter may come out after vacation, Your Lordship.
After vacation.
Yes, Your Lordship.
What are you challenging here?
We challenge the regulation of 1954, Your Lordship.
That regarding Assam.
This is Garo Hills Autonomous
Assam
District
Board of Revenue.
Land and Revenue Regulation, Your Lordship.
Okay, yes. Party submit that the pleadings are complete. Accordingly, it's a matter for hearing usual course after vacations.
Highly obliged.
3.
Your Lordship, 3 is connected matter.
Same order.
4.
Number 3 has a connection with the same matter. We are allowed to file the rejoinder, unable to complete matter. Within 2 weeks' time, my lord, we will be ready to file.
Yes, number 3, for list together with so and so. Mr. H.R. Hoyso on his prayers permitted to file rejoinder affidavit in the meanwhile.
Highly obliged.
4.
Number 4, Your Lordship, I humbly pray 3 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
1 second. Let the matter, let the file come. Number 4.
Number 4, the respondents are yet to file their
1
affidavit.
second. Let the file come to my brother. Yes, what's the matter about?
Here also we are challenging the regulation, Your Lordship, 1970 regulation, Your Lordship.
This is the same matter, connected.
This is the market, Your Lordship.
Market regulations are challenging.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Who has to file affidavit?
HHDC.
My lord, even the state has not filed the affidavit too. My lord, the issue concerned the GHADC, my lord. However, state has also, we are waiting for
The act
instruction.
is assented by the governor. Yes, further time of 3 weeks granted to the respondents to file the respective affidavit list thereafter.
Supplementary list hearing, item number 4.
Is the matter about?
May please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, here we are supposed to file a detailed affidavit making certain corrections, my Lord. We are seeking some more time, my Lord. We could not.
Corrections of what?
The regulations which you have passed for the protection of the water bodies, my Lord, in protection of the all water bodies, my Lord, as per order dated 19/10/2023, my Lord.
The guidelines to be corrected, Your Lordship.
Okay, one thing. Okay. Yes, the order is dated 19th of October, paragraph 6. You're supposed to correct, modify, revisit and republish the notification.
Yes, my Lord. So
What
we
have you
are,
done?
we have not got the.
Why?
It is still under being processed.
Under what?
It is still being processed, my
But
Lord.
how did you generate? How did you generate the first notification?
So it was there, my Lord. Now it is in the department. The department
Has
is
it
yet.
been recalled?
I have
Are
no.
you recalling
I have
it, or
not.
you-
I
are
have
you
not
publishing
received
a
the
fresh
latest instruction, my
notification,
Lord.
or are you just correcting the earlier one?
My Lord, I have not received the complete instruction in the matter, my Lord.
But this is 1910 now, December.
My Lord, I seek some more time to get a
How much
complete
time?
instruction.
2 days.
My Lord, 2 weeks time, my Lord. In the meantime,
Yes, Mr. Mantha.
You have to correct the guidelines because there were a lot of anomalies there in the guidelines.
it was noticed on the last occasion. Several mistakes cropped up in that.
What there's no national guideline with regard to construction in the water bodies now.
No, there's
Honorable Chief Justice noticed that regarding that 50 meters from the water bodies, nothing was noted in the guidelines. So thereafter, Chief Justice has said certain more corrections required to be made.
Mr. S.N. Gupta, Additional Senior Advocate, submits that the directions which were passed by this court on 19/10/2023 for correction, modification and republication of the notification dated
Guidelines dated 2023.
dated 25th August 2023 has not yet been completed. Stop. We praise that the state response be allowed some more time to complete the said exercise. Stop. Mr. S.P. Mahanta, Leonard, counsel for the petitioner.
no amicus.
Amicus curiae.
The amicus, Leonard Amicus, has no objections. Has no objections. Stop. Accordingly, this matter after 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks.
Expected before the next date, the
Necessary
notifications
corrections
will
will be.
be on board. Yes.
Much.
Second call, item number 1.
My apology,
Yes.
Lordship, I was not there when the matter was called.
Yes.
My Lord, I have been informed by the leading counsel, my Lord, Mr. Sharma, that he has already taken the consent of the counsel for the petitioner that he has a health issue difficulty today, my Lord. So he was already informed that he will not be able to conduct this matter today. Which is
So,
why,
Mr.
my
Kyle,
Lord,
were you informed?
He just informed me in the evening that he's not coming, but his
evening
junior
means,
will
my
be
Lord,
there in the
yesterday.
court.
We have informed him yesterday.
You're not instructed to take up the matter.
No, my Lord. However, my Lord, this is a continuation of delay application which is still
Do you have
pending.
any objection to condemnation?
My Lord, we have already given our affidavit
That has
reply
to
to
be
the.
heard.
My Lord, it has not been heard yet. We have filed only our affidavit
Earlier
in
it was
objection.
heard by Chief Justice.
No, my Lord, it was not heard. We were directed to file the affidavit, objection affidavit.
What to do, Mr. Kyle?
Lordship may fix in some other day, Lordship.
Yes,
After reopening, Lordship.
yes. Due to the absence of the conducting counsel on behalf of the respondents, who stated to be indisposed, list this matter immediately after application. Note upheld, Mr. Kyle.
Much
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Any mention?
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 28, Your Lordship. 28.
28.
I pray that this matter may come up to vacation, Your Lordship.
No, Paul mentions, any mention, I think it will come after vacation only, except very urgent matters if some are there. 28. Who's for the other side?
I'm there, Your Lordship.
You have no objection?
No objection, Your Lordship.
Yes, after vacations.
Highly obliged.
Apply, Your Lordship.
Make it quick,
May I
otherwise.
please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 29, Your Lordship.
20?
29. Let this matter be taken after vacation, Your Lordship.
No objection?
Yes, Your Lordship.
2 weeks, yes.
Much appreciated.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item 21.
21.
Your Lordship, I'm praying that if this matter may come up next week, Your Lordship.
No, you do it today, otherwise. Today?
Mr. Paul, he's not available
So
today.
next week is difficult.
Your Lordship, as per Your Lordship, pleases.
Oh, this matter has already been heard.
Your Lordship.
It's
Court heard.
that dues, correct?
Dues, Your Lordship. The only point here is that continuing wrong cause of action.
Yes. 2 weeks.
May,
Your loss, yes.
Highly obliged.
may I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 26, Your Lordship.
Number?
26. I'm praying for 1 week time, Your Lordship.
No objection, Your Lordship.
2 weeks, yes.
1 week, Your Lordship.
Yeah?
1 week, Your Lordship.
1 weekend?
1 week. 1 week.
Why?
For
it matter
this is a
about-
compassionate ground, Your
Is
Lordship.
there some urgency?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Can you do it today?
Your Lordship, we are yet to file the additional affidavit, Your Lordship. The establishment officers and
Then 2 weeks, yes. After additional effort will be filed in the meanwhile, yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item 23. Let it come up after vacation, Your Lordship.
You have objection?
No objection.
2 weeks, yes.
Similar player with item number 25, Your Lordship.
24?
25.
Yes, after vacation.
And Your Lordship, for item 46 to 56, Your Lordship, I pray for some time to file
Item?
46 to 56, Your Lordship.
46 to 56. It's one.
This is connecting matter, Your Lordship.
256, Your Lordship.
What team?
Your Lordship, we pray for some time to file a rejoinder for writ petition.
46 to 56.
Yes, Your Lordship.
These are
All
Up to the end
connecting
of the
matter.
list.
Yes, Your Lordship.
What do you want?
We pray for some time to file rejoinder for writ petition number 96, Your Lordship.
Why did you enter a hearing stage?
Your Lordship, they already filed a...
Just give the file. It's 46. Only filed it on the 4th.
Yes, Your Lordship, for 9 of them, Your Lordship, and 2 of them is left. So for 90, writ petition number 90.
This is the matter after vacation, 46. Petitioner permitted to file the joint affidavit in the meanwhile, yes.
Apply,
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item 27.
Your Lordship, actually, since it's an urgent matter and it's been kept pending for quite some time, so
27 was the
with your
matter
permission, Lordship, can you fix it in the next week, Your Lordship, the 11th?
No,
if it's
do it.
possible?
Where's, I saw Mr. Walang. You're not ready with the matter. Where's Mr. Yubin?
He's on leave, Your Lordship.
Then someone has to do it. What's the matter about?
This is bifurcation of the village, Your Lordship, which is against the Ilaka Act. Because
So what's the urgency?
Urgency because as of now, the village...
You don't want to be bifurcated.
It's all been bifurcated, so we are against so much about that. It's
So
been
you're expecting final orders from the court to set aside bifurcation?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Where's Mr. Kinta? He'll be the most important respondent. Yes.
No, he's...
Yes, Mr. Kinta.
Yes, Your Lordship, I
Smiling.
don't think there is any urgency because the status quo as on today is already there.
Yes,
Let it come after vacation, Your Lordship.
But status quo is one thing. It's been hurt, but in between, there's so many things in between, besides we kept pending, Your Lordship. So my humble submission, Your Lordship.
See, the court ready to hear the matter.
Yes, I'm ready.
But the
I'm
thing
ready
is that
now,
what
Your
can we do if your counsels don't cooperate? If you don't actually on
I
the matter
understand.
urgent, you should inform the other side and you cooperate each other. We can't put onus on the court that that.
I'm just putting
adjourn.
respectfully submit, Your Lordship. We have not asked for adjournment today.
You understand, Matt?
Yes, Your Lord.
Mention's been made on behalf of Mr. P. Yobin, who's stated to be on leave for adjournment. The same objected to by Mr. S. Walang,
yes,
who submits that the matter of extreme urgency. Stop in view. Accordingly, when will this matter?
My humble submission.
Next week is when?
Petition.
No, 11 or 12, whatever is convenient for this court. Whatever is convenient for this court, Your Lordship.
This is the matter, but as a full hearing will not be possible before the vacations, let's the same immediately after vacation. Yes. After vacation. Can't help it, Mr. Walam. Because this court not be here also from 13th. 13th will be the last day's court sitting here. Yes.
Much obliged.
Highly obliged.
May it please Your Lordship, I beg to mention item 24 here. In fact, it's a joint prayer from both the parties, Your Lordship.
For the petitioner, Lordship.
After vacation, yes, on the prayer of the parties.
Much
Obliged.
Yes.
Your Lordship, a similar prayer for item 30 as well. Yeah.
Joint request?
No, Your Lordship. This is just from our part, Your Lordship, since there's some personal difficulty.
Yes, we have objection.
No objection.
No objection. 2 weeks, yes.
Much obliged.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item 22 as well, Your Lordship.
2 weeks, yes. Yes.
Highly obliged.
Supplementary list, item number 1.
Your Lordship, petitioner here is the villagers of Garudubi and with Garu Hills.
What does this matter?
Here,
See,
Your Lordship,
yes, one thing, Mr. Devnath, sorry, but is this page number 1 to page number 6 your synopsis?
this
Is
Your
this a
Lordship,
synopsis?
yes, Your Lordship. So
You know how much a synopsis should be? A synopsis should be not more than 1 paragraph. Synopsis doesn't mean a petition. You can't find a synopsis like this. How many pages is it petition?
The petition is a little bit more, Your Lordship.
It will be more. How many pages is it?
It has come up to serial 40.
Synopsis 6 pages.
Because some details was required, Your Lordship, in this matters.
Synopsis is just you see, you distill the facts in a short. You heard press writing. You know what's press writing? Yes. There's a trick to do press writing. Also, how do you distill the facts and put it in a concise manner? So at least you know what is the point in issue.
Points is here.
What you've been wrong with and why you come. That's why you come to court.
Here only 1 minute. So it has been precise even only for this Meghalaya.
This one, just on the synopsis, this court's inclined to reject your petition and ask you to file a fresh one. Anyway, what's the problem?
Here you see this villager, they didn't get the food grain. It was they are legally entitled to get. And during the pandemic also, you see, there was order of the government of India that 2% of the food grain will be given to the beneficiaries. So here in this case, it was given. So this has come to light in the year 2023 when this Gaubura has given some complaint. Then for the month.
Petitioner?
Petitioner is the villagers, you see, beneficiary.
No, who is he? This.
He's the ration card holder. He's the enamel hawk. He's one of the villagers. So he came before this noble court. And here you see, now he came before this due to this. You
sit down. Yes.
You see, in this matters, you see, this petitioner has come before this court due to this. You see, headman has given one complaint. They are the ambulance of food grain. And
headman given complaint to whom? Against whom?
Against this dealers and bringing to the
party here.
No, it is not party, because here due to this, Your Lordship, here all these government officials, they have acted upon illegally.
They have?
They have acted upon illegally. Due to this, Your Lordship, because the headman has given the complaint against the dealer. So this government official, they cannot stop us for getting our food grain. Our case is little bit different due to this. Here, headman has given this, there was misapplication of the food grain.
Rewind. Your main complaint by petition is what?
My complaint is here, Your
What
Lordship.
relief do you seek?
I am asking the relief here, only this
What
much.
relief are you asking for?
I am asking the relief, Your Lordship. As per rule,
What rule?
Gavura will be the president of the Vigilance Committee.
Vigilance Committee of the village. To
And
see that
Vigilance
food
Committee
grains-
to look
food grains
after-
are distributed to the correct people.
Yes.
Then what happened?
So, you will see, in this case, from the initial stage, they have appointed somebody else, not the Gavura.
They appointed someone else.
Someone else.
Who has appointed someone else?
This respondent of 4, 3 and 4. So, whatsoever you will receive in this case, after this complaint was filed, and then this was cancelled. Whatsoever president was appointed, and then appointed the Gavura.
Then you appointed, or the
No.
Gavura? Okay.
No, headman.
Okay.
Headman was appointed. Then subsequently by another order, headman is removed because he has been complainant in the first complaint. So here in the petition, I brought to before this honorable court this notice. This villager has given the complaint, give us the food grain where we are entitled, and it is not given to us. Some food grain even it was there free of cost. It is not paid
So
during.
the villagers have authorized you to come before this court?
Yes.
Or you're just filing personal capacity?
So I filed here at the moment you receive the personal capacity because I am also one of the beneficiary, and I didn't get.
What order you agree with? Let's see.
So I am assailing this order, this one you receive. I am assailing the order of 26 September 2023 to set aside this order. And then page 84 you will see.
Signature of beneficiaries. You are sealing this speech in court.
Sorry, sir, marking. Some mistakes here. Annexure 30 you will see just some mistakes there. 30. Maybe some mistake, no, here. Annexure 30 you will see just please. Synopsis not there. $30. 184 you will see.
How you agree with this order?
You will see, because of this, it
This
goes
order,
to last.
in fact, ensures because there's been no distribution, this order ensures that they've given to another person to receive the monthly order quantity and distribute the same as per prescribed scale.
But till the date of this filing this petition, you will see no food grain will be distributed.
Yes,
and since the August onward, you will see till date of filing of the petition, they didn't get any food grain.
See why I'm hearing you very patiently is because it concerns food grain supply to to BPL people.
Yes.
Yes.
Lordship.
You take instructions. Is it
We'll
true that
take
they're not being
instructions,
but
but
if this order says that this order dated 7 November says that authorization has been given so that distribution is done, and his
yes.
submission is that this has not been carried out.
Let me take instructions, Your Lordship.
You
And
take it from this Sub-Inspector of Supply, if necessary, who's named here.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Right,
And
Mr. Ardebnath.
I'm appearing on behalf of 1 to 4, Your Lordship. 5, 6, 7 are also officials, but they are given in the individual capacity.
Why?
So
Because
in their
to
names.
some extent they are working. The
notice should go to them, Your
Malified also I have given Your Lordship due to this I given personal name.
Anyway, heard Mr. Ardebnath, a council petitioner, a grievance as submitted is that in spite of the orders for distribution of food grains in Garobudi village,
Yes, Your Lordship.
Garudubi village, this pursuant to order date 7 November 2023, the same has not been complied with, has not been carried out by the respondents. Staff also submitted that the food grains have not been distributed since August 2023. Stop. Next line, MS Tiangi appearing for the respondents 1 to 4 to obtain immediate instructions on this aspect. This is the matter on. This is a matter on. We list on 11.
Your Lordship, there will be any bar to disburse the food grain if.
Why should there be a bar?
Your Lordship, because they are not.
There will be a bar to give food grains. Yeah, let them come to instruction.
Daily list item number 1.
It's resolved. Where's Mr. Moomin?
Lordship, we have given the proposal, written proposal to the respondents. So
Where's Mr. Moomin? Where's Mr. Sen? Has it been resolved?
Not yet.
Why?
I have no instruction regarding that.
we have given the proposal for compromise, Your Lordship, to them, written proposal. So if you permit us, we'll bring it on record, we'll file the
No,
affidavit.
not that. Because the thing is that similar way the other matters have been settled, you'll have that only. They won't give you beyond what they've settled with the other. You all similarly situated in the same complex.
Yes, Your Lordship, this proposal is for compromise.
Your proposal.
Yes.
Mr. Ilalu, Mr. submits that the proposal for compromise has been submitted to respondent number.
We haven't received any.
I
No,
have given
to office of respondent number 3. Stop. Mr. A. Moomin seeks time to obtain instructions just after vacation. Yes.
Item number 2.
Yes, what's the matter for today?
Lordship, this is regarding this is the petition seeking for transfer of a criminal trial, Your Lordship, which is pending before the special POCSO court.
May it please, Your
Why
Lordship.
you want to transfer it from Riboy?
Your Lordship, because the same presiding officer has already convicted him before, Your Lordship. We have preferred an appeal and then it was remanded back and then it happened to be the same presiding officer.
So you feel you'll be
I'm
prejudiced?
apprehending that I'll be prejudiced, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I pray this matter may come up for hearing after vacations.
Lordship, to that I would there is because there is
you
a
have to show overwhelming materials to show that you're not you have this. Why do you have your doubt? Just because he convicted you, he's been remanded, he'll convict you again?
Your Lordship, because it has been alleged that in the open court also, Your Lordship, he has made a statement, Your Lordship,
That I'll reconvict you.
that you're not happy with 5 years, now I'll convict you for 10 years.
Is your own bail?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Lordship, there is a stay of the proceeding, Your Lordship. It's a POCSO case, Lordship. Lordship, kindly see what is the ground of transfer. If Lordship kindly come to page 6 at paragraph 5 and 6 at 7.
There's a stay.
Lordship, yes, there is a stay.
That was supposed to be heard urgently.
Lordship, kindly come to page 6 at paragraph 5. Lordship, this allegation against the presiding officer, Your Lordship.
Where allegations at para?
Paragraph 5, 6 and 7, Your Lordship.
He was convicted in Shillong.
Nongpo, Your Lordship.
Nongpo, Your Lordship, Nongpo. just fixing a show date for examination of witness, Your Lordship. That is Article 21, Your Lordship, right to speedy trial.
Who's collecting the matter in Nopo? Another council or you are?
No, another council, Your Lordship.
So this is not first hand, this is as reported by the other council?
Yes, Your Lordship.
You see, if such allegations are made, you should have it on affidavit. You can't just make a flying allegation. Of course, there might be some in court, you know what happens, so...
The presiding officer also, Your Lordship, in my humble and respectful submission, Your Lordship, will have to be given a notice, Your Lordship, whether these statements are correct or not, Your Lordship. Otherwise, Lordship, in my humble and respectful submission, Your Lordship, if these statements are given, Your Lordship, then it may demoralize the member of the subordinate judiciary, Your Lordship.
What should we do? We send it back there, but we just pass some directions that the trial should be free and fair.
Your Lordship, kindly fix a short date, Your Lordship.
Then we'll have it on the 7th. Today is the 5th.
Yes, Your Lordship.
It's a matter on 7th.
We'll
see if it's possible to dispose of the case.
Right, Your Lordship.
Item number 3.
Because of the party, it's a matter on 7th.
Obliged.
Yes.
We have filed a missed case for recalling or modification of our Lordship order. We have given copy to my friend also.
Lordship, a copy has been received. Prayer in this miscase filed by Senior.
Fresh miscase? What miscase?
For recalling, modifying
for altering the interim order.
That liberty was given to me. Therefore, we
liberty given to whom?
To the present applicant.
My Lord, just to point out, Learned Senior has filed this miscase, which is miscase 5. Lordship kindly sees there is another miscase 3 and a miscase 4. Miscase 3 also has the same prayer for alteration of that order. Miscase 4 also has the same prayer for alteration of that order. Miscase 5, today's miscase, which he's pressing, also has the same prayer for alteration of the order. So which miscase is the respondent pressing? That needs to be a little clear. 3, 4, 5 miscases with the same order, with the same prayer, man.
Let's go to the court's order. There was an order where there was a mistake filed by the applicant and Lordship.
No, Mr. Jhangai, so he's correct. I think you take a choice which one you want to press. If they are same prayers, then how can you have 3 ministers' applications with the same prayer?
Madam, it cannot be, madam. I bow down with
Yes.
I bow down.
In fact, subject to what Learned Senior says, instead of wasting time on the miscase for alteration, we can hear the entire matter.
So let them,
subject to what they say.
Since they've been given the opportunity, let them avail of it. Yes, Vichari, sir. What do you propose?
Madam, I propose to, with Lordship permission, I propose to press this miscase 5, madam.
You withdraw 3 and 4.
But others, my Lord, it appears that some mistake was there for allocation also, previous councils.
So 3 and 4 you withdrawn?
My Lord, we will not press.
3 and 4. Okay, by order dated 12/10/2023, this court had allowed the respondent to file a suitable application for alteration or modification of the said order. Stop. Next, but the respondent thereafter, it appears, had filed successive misapplications, more or less on the same prayer for vacation of the interim order. Successive miscases being miscase number 3 of 2023, miscase number 3, miscase number 4, miscase number 5. Stop. Mr. H. Changreso, Senior Counsel, so and so, who submits he's just been engaged by the respondent, is seeking, submits that he will press only miscase number 5 and prays that number 3 and 4 be closed. This is the main case, no? Accordingly, miscase number 3 and 4 will not be taken off consideration and are disposed of, and miscase number 5 shall be heard.
Well,
yes. Stop. You want to hear it today?
It is subject to Lordship if he wants to file a short.
I'll have to file a reply to this.
Yes.
Urgency is there, madam.
They don't give it. Then in the miscase number 3 and 4, in view of the order passed in and view of the order dated so and so, this miscase stands closed. And miscase number 5, in view of the order passed today so and so, in the main appeal, the instant miscase shall be taken up for consideration. Stop. Mr. S. Jindal prays that we will have to file a short reply to the same, which is not objected to by the. Okay, what is the same stuff? This after 2 weeks is for consideration.
After 10 days, if Lordship permits. Urgency is there regard to the possession of the.
Yes,
land.
so, has been there since 1923.
1914.
Possession of the land is with the petitioner till today, but the projection made by the other side is different. Now, the ground reality, there is a change. My tenants, 4 tenants who have a constructions, community halls, they are in apprehension, my lord. See if they
tenants?
Well, my tenants are also there, my lord. They never raise objections. And because of this interim injunction.
So anyway, we are looking at the technicality only of the impugn order. We're not going to look into the.
Absolutely.
Yes.
In fact,
less after 10 days, yes.
Highly.
Item number 4.
Sorry, my lord. My lord, with your indulgence, the previous matter, my lord, the interim order may kindly be extended.
Yes. In the main case, this is a matter of 10 days, and in the main case, for interim order passed earlier shall continue in the next day.
Obliged.
Lordship, I am appearing for the respondent. The petitioner had to file its reply for the 7/11 application.
We have already served a copy to the.
Not lost esteem, this case. All election cases, after the results come, there's a lot of fire, but after that, show cause reply has been filed by election petitioner to the application under 7/11 filed by the respondent. Respondent is
Sanjay.
By respondent, yes. This is a matter for hearing.
Your Lordship may allow us also an opportunity of filing a
read. On so and so, the election, the return candidate, or who the respondent, or sole respondent. Sole respondents also permitted to file a reply if necessary in the meanwhile.
Highly obliged.
Item number 5.
Has the order been complied? No.
Your Lordship, I take instruction with regard to that.
Not been complied.
I have to take instruction, Your Lordship.
Then we have to call that person, whoever he is, to appear personally in court and be sent to jail from here direct. If you have said that it's not been complied. You're not reinstated as yet?
No, my lord. I've already filed the rejoinder affidavit in reply to the...
Rejoinder? Oh, why you didn't go to work then? Why do you appoint someone else in your place?
My lord, did you... Yes, my lord, due to some
See, that is another thing, Mr. Kharshi. After you initiated, you paid amount of 196 also. Then amount of action. Then after you resumed the duties, you took leave and you said appoint another person for 3 months.
My lord, regarding with that also, I don't have any...
They rejected that. They said that you can't accept it since it's instated. So you submitted a resignation letter also.
My lord, what I'm agree with,
What do you agree with then?
I may be allowed to kindly come to Part 9 of my rejoinder. Is the pending salary
No, that
with
is
effect
nothing.
from...
Then you, by your own, no wonder they terminated you. Now after termination has been set aside and you been reinstated, now you want somebody
my
else,
lord.
and you have resigned from the service also.
My lord, the pending
What do you
salary,
mean?
the pending salary is right from the 6/4/2017 when I was terminated till the day of termination.
The rejoinder filed by the petitioner indicates, by the contempt, by the petitioner indicates that the order of the court has been complied to some extent, and as much as an amount of 1,96,000 had been advanced to her, had been paid, as also she was in service. However, it also appears that the petitioner on her own accord has tendered the resignation. This is a matter for hearing after vacation.
My lord.
You don't want to work anymore, so why you bothered?
No, my lord, I don't ask anything after resignation, my lord. It's only after I was terminated.
Why you said it's not complied with?
Your Lordship, with regard to the direction number 1 and 2, we have already complied, Your Lordship. With the direction number 3, Your Lordship, we will have to take instruction.
Difficult to get money. Yes.
This is the only point that I'm agree with.
Yeah, we'll close the contempt. That means you have taken the school for a ride also, Ms. Kharshi.
My lord,
Yes.
okay, the thing is, it's only after termination.
Yes, next.
Okay, highly obliged.
6.
Yes. Why take so long to file affidavit? This matter was filed since June.
Actually, I've got information that the petitioner is already reinstigated, so I have to get a proper instruction again.
Reinstated?
No, Your Lordship, we don't have any
sure?
instruction. We have not received any instruction, Your Lordship.
If they wouldn't inform the lawyers, actually, because they don't want to
So I have to pay some time, Your Lordship.
regularize or reinstated.
Regularize.
No, reinstigated. That's a daily
Start in service. Yes, though affidavits have been filed, Mr. A. Movement submits Mr. A. Movement GA submits instructions that the petitioner has since been reinstated. Stop next paragraph. Ms. N. Raji prays that she has no instruction, submits his instructions, and says we have to obtain the same. this matter of vacation for instructions by the petitioner and for affidavit by state respondents. Yes. You have nothing on paper.
That's why I have to get this.
7.
Sorry, Your Lordship, but the Finance Department is still not given us any instructions regarding this matter. Still pending before them for consideration.
For the 2 weeks time granted for affidavit just after vacation.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
8.
Rejoinder file.
Your Lordship, I'm
You
praying
won't
for
file.
2 week times to file my rejoinder.
How many times you've asked?
Many times.
Many times. This is what time? This is what time? This is how many times you've asked for rejoinder? You've not counted. Nineteen, 10, 1. 9, 2. 3 times you already asked. So anyway, though adequate opportunity has been granted for filing rejoinder, the same is yet to be filed by the petitioner. Accordingly, this is the matter for hearing in usual course. However, petitioner is permitted to file rejoinder in the meanwhile. You file it in the meanwhile.
Hello, Pledge.
9.
Please, Lordship. This material, Lordship, I will take you to the annexure, page 19 of the affidavit file with the affidavit in opposition file with the state respondent, Lordship. They have enclosed the completion report, Your Lordship, the completion certificate.
1 second.
Lordship.
Yes.
As per there is a prescribed format, and this is a scheme for judgment scheme, Lordship, that this completion report was submitted by the sub-divisional officer. Now, sub-divisional officer has no jurisdiction to submit this completion report because there is a third-party agency who will
There's a what?
third-party inspection, third-party inspection, because there is a one commission which is constituted by the government to inspect such inspection and to submit the completion report. And secondly, this completion report is not even in a format. There is a specific format, my lord, and there in that specific format, as per the prescribed format, 2 persons supposed to sign, and moreover, there is a sub-divisional officer. She has no jurisdiction because there is a third party. They call the third party inspection agency, TPIA. That is the thing, Your Lordship. So my humble prayer, Your Lordship, I may be allowed just to file an application to implicate this person as a party, Your Lordship.
The thing is that you come against the cancellation of work order, correct?
Lordship.
Yes.
The completion, Your Lordship, why I'm saying is, in the impure order stated that due to bona fide mistake or due to the oversight. But however, in the impugn order, my lord, they have not mentioned anything that the reason why my tender was, after allocation, my tender was cancelled. Because the page 24, Your Lordship, they have, may I just read annexure 4, type copy. They have, where they have cancelled my work order. It says, Lordship, may I read, Your Lordship. They only say that pre-sedimentation tank under Sualmari combined WSS under Sualmari combined WSS have been hereby cancelled. Hereby cancelled means they have not stated anything, the reason, anything. And in the annexure 5, my petition, Lordship, where they have given the reason.
Now see, this your cancellation is dated 1st of May 2023, correct?
Lordship.
Then this completion certificate is dated?
Completion certificate?
Undated.
Lordship, they have, let me just see their completion.
No. Why 1st May? start date, completion date. When is the completion certificate dated?
They have not mentioned.
It looks to be contrived.
Completion dated May. They said May. First May.
First May 2020. No. I'm not the date letter.
Letter, the date is not there. Your Lordship.
Nothing is mentioned.
But the thing that this photograph is there, Mr. Sama, what
even this
Lordship,
photograph,
another aspect of the matter, Your Lordship, is
that means you have, if only one thing is that now, if you have been cancelled the contract wrongly, then you visit with civil consequences only. Then you have to go for remedy with civil court.
Only thing is that
how will you maintain that petition?
Lordship, my first question is even this completion certificate, I'm saying it is wrong, completely wrong, because he has no jurisdiction
Doesn't matter.
submit.
Whatever is the fact, remains they maintain that this is wrong or right. They've given this photograph now. This is whether, how can this court know that this tank is that tank?
Yes, that's exactly. Of course, it's a question of dispute of fact, Lordship. But that's why I say that.
And why after this work, if it's already been done, what will they give you? What relief will you get now?
Lordship, that's why I'm saying that.
Okay, according to you, what relief are you entitled to now?
Of course, I will not give, because
what are you entitled to?
Suppose they claiming
The officers.
they are claiming that this
No, fine. The claim might be wrong. The certificate might be totally illegal.
Lordship,
issued by incompetent authority. But what orders are you expecting from the court? To break that tank down and ask you to reconstruct it?
No, not that. My question, of course, this is a question of neither they are correct nor I, because this is a civil.
Neither they are correct. You are. See, you come to court for relief, correct?
Lordship.
Right. And the court has a duty also to see if you have any genuine grievance, correct? And within the four corners of like permissible, jurisdiction as under writ, like whether the relief you pray for can be given, correct?
Yes.
Now they've given us completion certificate with photograph showing that your work was cancelled, and then due to oversight it was allotted to you, but meanwhile it's already been completed by someone else, correct? Now in these circumstances, what relief do you expect?
Lordship.
Simple as that.
Lordship.
You expect that officers be punished, you be compensated.
See, Lordship,
break down that tank.
Lordship, that is okay. My another aspect is can they file this type of
No. We're not.
Because this is the misleading to the court, Lordship.
That's a witch hunt.
This is the misleading to the court, because he has not at all jurisdiction to even submit this completion report. He has not given a power to submit this document. I'm saying this is manipulated, because she cannot even submit, because there is a prescribed format. As per the rule, they have to come there. 2 members has to sign, and she is not even a third party. There is a third party agency.
See, Mr. Sangma, what relief are you entitled to?
Lordship,
what do you expect
relief,
to get?
of course.
Let's see your prayer then. What prayer? What are you asking for here? We'll stick to your prayer then. If it can be given at the stage, we'll give it. If not,
my prayer is that I should be allowed to proceed with the work.
Break down the tank.
No, because
take down.
Lordship, I have one, Lordship, kindly, Lordship, the writ petitioner in fact has committed perjury, Your Lordship. If Lordship kindly come to the to the affidavit filed by the writ petitioner on 5 October 2023, has committed perjury, Your Lordship, to mislead, trying to mislead this on court.
Lordship,
yes.
Lordship, kindly come to Annexure 1 at page 3, the order dated 28/9/2023, passed by Your Lordship. May I read, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Mr. A.G. Momin, Learned Counsel, who has entered appearance on behalf of the submit that the matter has been rendered infructuous, but however, serious objection has been raised by Mr. P.T. Sangma, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, as to the veracity of the document annexed therein. Accordingly, he prays for an allowed to bring the disputed document by way of an affidavit. This is the additional affidavit, Your Lordship. To bring what, Your Lordship? Kindly come to page 4, Your Lordship, Annexure 2. The type copy, Your Lordship, will find it at page 5. Lordship, this is formal work order. What work, Your Lordship? The work for the construction of RCC Circular Overhead Sonal Receiver 2 under Sual Mari so. Lordship, what is the issue involved?
Lordship.
Wait. Yes.
I will answer, Lordship.
Yes.
What is the issue involved in the writ petition? Lordship will kindly come at page 18 of the affidavit filed by the state.
Okay.
How, Lordship, Lordship, whether Lordship is with me, at Annexure 4, page 18.
Yes.
Lordship, what is the issue involved in the writ petition? The work for the construction of PST and Sual Maricom W. It's a completely a different work, Your Lordship. How the writ petition is trying to mislead, to influence Your Lordship.
Lordship, I
Yes,
see.
in my humble and respectful submission, Your Lordship, this is a contempt on the face of the court, Your Lordship.
If that is a different work, why they have given the same letter number? You see all the letter number, dated, everything is same. If there is a different, they should have changed the memo number. You see, Lordship, the same
no
page
need
number.
to raise your voice.
Lordship,
when you raise your voice, that means your case is getting weaker.
Sorry, Lordship.
The louder the voice, the weaker the
It's
case.
by nature, Your Lordship.
If you have a good case, you just say, if you speak very softly, also you'll win your case.
Your Lordship.
But if you raise volume,
sorry, Lordship.
that means,
Yes. Lordship, I just wanted to
How
see
the writ
my
petitioner-
Lordship, my
how the
submission
writ
is
petitioner trying to mislead
my
this
submission.
honourable court.
It is not me. It is in fact the state respondent who is trying to mislead.
One second.
You see
Okay,
the
memo
letter
number is?
Memo number, same.
Okay.
All the memo number here also in my Annexure 2, if you compare the page 18, where my learned senior is referring, if you go by the memo number, everything is same, only the work order, name of the work order is changed. You see, memo number NOSE slash, even slash also, there is no change. Even in slash also. Letter number also 326 dash AB here also. Lordship. Lordship, I'm so sorry.
Can you see
Wait. Where's the earlier
Lordship?
work order you showed for that pre-sedimentation tank?
Lordship, kindly come to page 5 of the affidavit filed by the petitioner.
Yes, and the other one you can.
Lordship, kindly come to Annexure 4 at page 18, the affidavit filed by the state. Lordship, that I'll point out, Your Lordship.
One second. That is very interesting.
Annexure 4, in the affidavit, Your Lordship, Annexure 4 at page 18.
Yes. No, it's different. AR and AB.
AR and AB, Your Lordship. What kind of issue?
That also is the same.
They can be the same.
AR,
Then the 326.
In the affidavit filed by the writ petitioner, Your Lordship, to mislead this honourable court is AR. In the affidavit filed by the state is AB, Your Lordship.
Mr. Sangma.
Yes, sir. Clear case of perjury, Your Lordship.
The formal work order is AB and this is AR. They're two different work orders. Anyway, we'll overlook this for time being. But we might have to pay cost.
Clear case of perjury, Your Lordship.
I will take action.
Contempt on the face of the honourable court.
Not at all, Lordship.
They filed the writ petition on 11/7/2023. The completion certificate was issued on 1/5/2023. Very much they were aware that the work was already done, my lord.
We are disputing there is no point of argument on.
Take down the writ petitioner before this court with a complaint as to alleged wrongful cancellation of a formal of a work order dated. Where's that? Formal work order dated. When is the work order dated?
This Lordship
dated 24.
28.
Dated when?
28 for 2023, Lordship.
Sure.
Yes, my work in my favor.
Date also has been fabricated, Your Lordship. Wrong. The date also has been fabricated, Your Lordship.
See Annexure 4 of your writ petition?
Annexure.
It's 20. Out here is 22, and in your.
No, this is the cancellation. This is work order.
No, common work order.
Common work order.
27, no?
Phone orders when? Because reference here to phone work order is, see, reference is order number so and so, dated 22/4. So, and your phone order next here is 28/4. Oh.
It has been tampered, Your Lordship.
Tampered or not, God knows.
No, that is that Sajid, but this is different one, Lordship, for some other, because I'm the second contractor. First 28, the 12 was given to Sanjeev Das. After that only my.
No. See Annexure 3.
Lordship, Annexure 3. Type
this
copy.
Dated 28/4. See Annexure 3. You're not
Yes.
a type copy. You're.
Yes, 28.
See. Name of work, construction pre-sedition tank. Name contractor, Tarseng Sangma, that is the petitioner. amount of work so and so, and the date below memo number 2423.
Lordship.
Okay, that's you have typed it. Then this cancellation.
Cancellation is page 4.
Same thing, 23, dated 22. They typed it wrong in the cancellation order.
Because this document was issued by the executive engineer PSC. Because this is signature.
No, Lordship.
They cannot deny their own
Lordship,
letter.
Enough, we're not hearing submissions anymore.
Lordship.
We'll dispose it of.
It has been tampered, Your Lordship, the date. Even the date has been tampered.
What about the Annexure 5, page 25 writ petition? What?
Yes, this is the clarification letter issued by the executive engineer.
Okay, so no? Dated 28 4 2023.
Lordship, the correct date is 27, Your Lordship. Lordship, kindly affidavit filed by the state at page 17, Your Lordship.
Like 3 dates, 1 work order.
No, Your Lordship, it has been tampered, Your Lordship. Appear to have been tampered, Your Lordship, because the original.
Then we have to call for inquiry by CID.
Lordship,
We'll do
Lordship,
that.
no problem.
No problem.
Lordship, it can. I support Lordship. I prepare. Let
We don't
let
need
it
your
go for
support.
CBI.
Yes.
The truth will come.
CBI.
Any other agency, Lordship.
If that be so,
Let it go for the inquiry.
there was no
I have no
notice-
problem.
No notice inviting tender also, my lord. He did not participate in the.
Let it be there. I'm
The
ready.
work order also was issued behind.
Let all this. It will come through.
And my lord,
Let it go for
As
CBI
per the
or
work
any
order
other
also,
agency. No problem.
the criteria is tripartite agreement. We have not even submitted also, my lord. There was no such agreement. He has not enclosed any such agreement also. My lord.
If it is the case, then they are the one who is manipulating.
That is the case. Then
See,
you have to go to
now this is very strange, this case also. The same work was given to the Sanjeev Das
Lordship.
on 22nd. Correct?
Lordship.
Then this formal work order. Then given to him on 28th.
Exactly.
Then they cancelled Sanjeev Das's order 22nd, but addressed the letter to him.
Lordship, what happened? Because the work has been issued by the
They will
engineer.
keep it pending. We'll pass orders. Wait. We'll hear you. You better justify, Mr. Shulai, if this is correct. I mean, this is very strange. It might
Not strange, Your Lordship. Not
Because
strange.
I'm ready for.
manipulations
Any inquiry,
happening-
Lordship. I have no problem. I'm ready for any inquiry.
This is matter for. This is on order in orders
Your Lordship, yes.
for admission hearing immediately of reopening this. Yes. Next matter.
Item
Apply,
10.
Your Lordship.
Item number 10.
There's something there. We ask for originals of all the copies.
Much less, Lordship.
Been corrected?
Lordship, may I please, the cost title has already been corrected, Lordship, and it has
Fresh
already been
notice has
filed.
been issued.
Lordship, however, but there's certain defects from the registry, from the registry, Lordship. So can you give us a chance to?
You've not taken steps.
No, Lordship.
Why?
Because the conducting counsel is in bereavement, and that's the
Let him
reason.
take 5 steps then. Yes, sir. You are Mr.
Ikash, Lordship.
You have to
But
submit
the
that due
state
to-
responded 1 to
Huh?
4. State responded.
You already filed affidavit.
No, but
You are
we-
appearing for? Number 5. You already filed affidavit? Yes,
We are yet to file an affidavit because 1 to 4.
Yes,
Send for
the,
waiting.
Mr. Khasantio.
Yes, Lordship.
For the petition submits that due to unavoidable circumstances, the fresh steps going to be taken as 1/6. He prays without 1 week's time to take steps. Prays allowed. So Mr. A Khan 1 to 4. Prays allowed further 2 weeks time to file affidavit. And you are MS B Mauri for 5 submits after it's been filed. Has been filed. Yes, up to 2 weeks.
11.
Lord, this matter can be disposed, my lord, because they have filed an affidavit. Paragraph 3, my lord, will go through. This affidavit was filed on 17 November 2023. Paragraph 3.
Okay, yes.
This can be disposed by giving them some time.
Averments made in para 3 of the affidavit filed by the state respondents 1 to 3. The Indian Council will petition NCCON that submits the matter can be closed. However,
by giving them 3 months time, my lord, to complete the entire process.
By allowing them 3 months time to complete the process. Tom, what do you have to say? The same not objected to by the council further respond 1 to 3. When the matter is disposed of,
Complete the process and release the benefits, my lord.
Dispose of directing the respondents to complete the clarification process of the petitioner within a period of 3 months from when the date of an order is submitted before the concerned respondent.
And release the benefits, my lord.
Process means process.
Yes. Just, my lord, one word if it is added.
Yes, for realization or for release of benefits, yes. Of due benefits.
Yes.
Yes.
Obliged.
Yes.
Your Lordship,
Just
I'm praying for some time, Your Lordship. The matter may be come up after
to
vacation.
strike off the parties here. After
Your
some
Lordship,
time. Why?
Your Lordship, the conducting counsel is still hospitalized.
Who, Mr. Datta?
Yes, Your Lordship.
MSPK submits it as the current council is hospitalized.
And
No
we,
steps
even we
could
will
be
file the
taken.
rejoinder, Your Lordship.
No steps could be taken in this regard. So it's a matter of the vacation.
Your Lordship, for responding to 2011, Your Lordship, we filed a...
You already filed affidavit?
Yes, Your Lordship. Filed,
Okay.
File, Your Lordship.
Much obliged, Lordship.
13.
Lord, respondent number 1 is the state, my lord. 1 and 2. Lord, 3 has not appeared despite service. 4 has refused service, and 5 has expired.
So what to do?
So, my lord, if I make some submission, my lord, this matter can be disposed of today, my lord. I am before your lordships only for correction of error in law. What happened, my lord, previously, the motor vehicles, my lord, MECT, Motor Accidents Tribunal, for Bagmara fell within the jurisdiction of Tura, my lord. So in 2020, the judiciary was separated, and thereafter powers was conferred on the district and session judge in 2020, my lord. Now, the matter ought to have been automatically transferred to the concerned court of jurisdiction. However, in this matter, the same was not done. Neither did the parties approach this honorable court for transfer of these proceedings. Now, ultimately, when this matter was heard, my lord, the complaint has been returned. So what happens now, my lord, it was at the stage of hearing. After the evidence, while passing the judgment, the learned tribunal has returned the complaint on the ground that it does not have territorial jurisdiction. So this is purely error in law. Why, my lord? Because under 710, my lord, Order 7, Rule 10, when a complaint or a plaint is returned, then the trial has to start de novo. While in this case, the trial was complete. So I am seeking for a writ of my lord, certiorari to correct the error in law. And my lord, in exercise of my lord, Section 24 of CPC, if this honorable court can set aside this order and transfer this matter to...
There's a claim tribunal in Bagmara now?
Yes, my lord. My lord, kindly have...
Notified.
Yes, my lord. Kindly have, my lord, page 34.
Okay,
First,
yes.
yeah, my lord, first kindly have 32. This is for notification dated 14th December 2020. By this notification, my lord, the judiciary was separated in Bagmara, my lord, South Garo Hills. Now, my lord, at page 34, notification the very next day, 15 December 2020, the power was conferred on the concerned district and session judge, my lord. So it is only for this correction of an error in law, my lord, I am before your lordship for issuance of a writ of certiorari, my lord.
Why certiorari?
My lord, because under certiorari, my lord, any my lord, error in law can be corrected, my lord, by the writ court. There is a judgment, my lord, of 2019. The latest judgment which discusses the scope of certiorari, my lord. So, my lord, I have just flagged. Because, my lord, technically, there's nothing wrong with the judgment of the learned tribunal below, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Guru. You don't have any submissions to make, I think.
I have, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, firstly, my friend has taken a plea that respondent number 5 have expired. There is nothing, no document or record to prove that. Secondly, my lord,
yes.
Section 166, subsection 2 of MBA Act is very clear.
Yes.
That the place of filing of claim application, my lord. And the claimant has got 3 options, my lord. The place
yes.
where the accident has arose. Second, where the claimant resides. Third, where the opposite party resides. Invariably, lordship, the respondent number 3 is the insurance company. So, lordship will kindly come to the affidavit filed by the
insurance company. Who's representing insurance company?
Page 31 of the petition, my lord. May I, my lord?
Yes.
At the verification portion, bottom, my lord. So this is the verification filed by the divisional manager, my lord. His office is based in Chennai, but having jurisdiction over Tura.
Yes.
So, my lord, the common practice with the insurance company is that in every state and district, they have their office. If my friend can clear on that point, bring a clarity on that point, Tura must be having a, my lord, office of this particular company. My lord.
No, it can be taken up Tura only.
My lord.
It can be taken up in Tura only.
Subject to the
if your jurisdiction lies.
Now, my lord, the tribunal below has rightly, my lord, rejected the claim because 166B is very, very clear. And my lord, any order passed by the tribunal having no jurisdiction is a nullity.
No. If the office issued in Tura, why not?
Yes.
Then
that my friend has to clarify on that.
On that point, my lord, I really.
I'm the regional manager, Royal Sundaram, so having Tura in this area operation.
There has to be an office, man. If that can be clarified by him.
My lord, now this is on the point of, my lord, on which they should have argued the particular respondent herein before the.
Then you can't rely on the weakness to help your case. I mean, to say that they're responsible. But if they, why not? I mean, otherwise the matter is only pending in Tura court and is nearing completion. What is the problem?
If that is the case, my lord, I am more than
happy. The only
happy.
thing is that what Mr. Guru is correct. If they have an office there, then surely, like you can file a claim anyway.
Yeah, yes, my lord. Then in that case, my lord, this order can be set aside, my lord, and the same court can proceed with it, same tribunal. I have no problem.
But you have to be certain first whether in Tura is there or not the office as well.
My lord, if this affidavit, my lord, they have been served, but nobody is appearing.
Then you have to wait for the appearance.
My lord.
Where is the office in Shillong? or whatever. When will it serve?
Lord, I think this records would speak.
The respondent number?
3, my lord.
3. Have you served a correct address? Just been received, doesn't know by whom.
Yes, my lord. As per the address in the lower court, my lord, we have served on that address.
In Tura. This is in Chennai.
Chennai, my lord.
And who filed affidavit? Which page was that?
This was before the court below, my lord.
Yes, which page was that?
31.
Oh, yeah, this is at page 30.
Throughout they had been contesting, my lord.
No, but I don't think they have an office. Having Turan's ear operation.
It is under their control.
This-
Clarity on this, it will be disposed.
I think, Mr. Gurung, that's not correct also, because if they don't appear, then we have to just infer that, their office is only in Chennai and Tura is only
No, my
under
lord.
the area of operation.
Area of
Throughout they had been
operation, my lord.
contesting.
Area of operation.
And there is a huge sum of money at stake. So, my lord, it has to be whether it has been served or not.
No, if it goes to Bagmara, they have fresh notices have to go.
They'll take care of it. I'm not on the merits. I'm not on anything, my lord.
We'll transfer it.
My lord, yes.
Yes, sir. Take down. This writ application under 226 has been filed. Assailing an order dated 28/10/2022, passed by the Motor Accidents Claim Tribunal, West Garo Hills, Tura, whereby the claim of the petitioner was returned on the ground of lack of jurisdiction. Stop. Next paragraph. The brief facts necessary are that on 12/4/2009, an accident had occurred at Pathargittim, Pathergittim, South Garo Hills district, following which a case was filed being MAC case number 10,012 before the Motor Accidents Claim Tribunal at Tura, West Garo Hills. Stop. During the pendency of the said matter in the year 2020, on 14/12/2020, the judiciary was separated from the executive in the South Garo Hills district and filed notification dated 15/12/2020. Power was conferred upon the district and sessions judge as a member of the claims tribunal under the Motor Vehicles Act of 1988. Stop. It was in this backdrop that the Judge MACT Tura, West Garo Hills, had passed impugned judgment on 28/10/2022 by holding that the tribunal at Tura, West Karo Hills lacked territorial jurisdiction, and as such returned the claim to the petitioner. Stop. The petitioner, being aggrieved thereby, is before this court. Stop. Next paragraph. Mr. P. Lone Honorary Learned Counsel for the petitioner has submitted that on a ground of jurisdictional error or dismissal on grounds of jurisdiction, even in a matter emanating from a tribunal, a writ of certiorari will lie for seeking effective relief. And in this regard, has placed reliance upon the case of, as I reported in 2019, bracket 10 SEC 695. Stop. It has been further submitted that as the proceedings were drawing to a close, the return of the claim petition for filing afresh will result in further delay in a matter that has been filed when 2012, over 10 years ago. He therefore prays that the impugn order be set aside and the pending claim petition be transferred to the Court of Competent Jurisdiction, which presently is the member of the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal at Bagmara, South Karo Hills. Next paragraph. Ms. R. Gurung, appearing for the state respondents, has submitted that as per section 166 of the Motor Vehicles Act, jurisdiction is vested in courts on 3 instances, and has drawn the attention of this court to the affidavit filed by the respondent number 3 insurance company, wherein has been indicated that wherein the officer who has sworn affidavit has indicated that the area of operation is Tura. Stop therefore submits that if this is correct, then respondent number 3 surely will have an office in Tura, for which the tribunal at Tura, West Karo Hills, will naturally have jurisdiction. Stop. I have heard the counsels with the parties and considered the submissions, as also perused the materials on record. Stop. It is not disputed that the MACT case has been filed as far back as in 2012, and proceedings at what stage?
Final hearing, not final disposal.
Proceedings are at the final hearing stage. Stop. Further is noted that further the submission of the counsel for the state respondent has also been noted, and the affidavit has been perused, and the affidavit has also further the
Further, it is noted that the submission of the state respondent has been noted.
Further the submission of the status of the council statement has been noted that the Tura court might have jurisdiction if it is discovered that the insurance company has an office at Tura. Stop. Next para. Considering the nature of the case and the fact that there is no dispute as to the fact that if the matter is taken up by the tribunal at Bagmara, the same is competent to dispose of the matter, and also considering the fact that the matter has been long pending. So, in the interest of justice, it is therefore directed that the records of MAC case number 10 2012 be transmitted to the court of the Judge Motor Accident Claims Tribunal, South Garo Hills, Bagmara, and the same proceed from where the matter rested before the impugn order dated 28/10/2022 was passed. Next para. Consequently, in view of the directions given here and above, the impugn order shall also stand quashed and set aside. Court, Court of the Tribunal at Tura to transmit the courts immediately and put the parties notice to appear.
14.
The name of Shimkato judgment. Napoleon. Yes.
Awaiting instructions, my lord.
Yes. How many respondents are there? 6?
6, lordship.
You're filing affidavit? No.
No, Lordship, and another some more time, Lordship.
You for the Provident Fund?
Yes,
Yes, as prayed for MS NG Shala for 1 to CA come 1 to 5 and what's your name? Zeta Chaudhary? For 6 are allowed 3 weeks further time to file affidavit.
Petition, Your Lordship.
Much
3
obliged,
weeks.
lordship.
15.
Yes, after answer also.
Here also we are awaiting instructions, Your Lordship.
What's the matter about?
Termination.
Termination.
Okay, as prayed for further 3 weeks time granted. Respond to file affidavit. Yes.
Pleasure.
16.
May it please your lordships. Well, I'm filing it in course of the day for the university. In the course of the day.
Yes, and submit that I will file the course of the day. This after vacations for joinder of any.
17.
May it please your lordship. Actually, this matter will need to file the affidavit, your lordship. So far as state is concerned, for respondent number 1 to 4, we need some time, your lordship.
Status of service 5 and 6.
Lordship, we have served it on 6/11/2023. Still awaiting, Lordship.
No, you
have sub true post, Lordship. We have given.
You obtained status.
We have obtained, but still they have not.
Have you obtained status of service or not?
We just go through the net, but they have not shown anything. But it's still awaiting.
Mr. Anish Shulailan, AAG Sonso, prays him allowed further time to file affidavit. Stop. Mr. P.G. Sama for the petitioner also submits that we praise him allowed to obtain status of service and respondent 5 and 6 and to file affidavit.
Lordship.
After vacation, your
After
lordship.
vacation.
18.
Much obliged, your lordship.
Yes.
Your lordship, we have already taken steps for respondent 2 and 3.
Also indicates that the service on respondent 5, 3, 2 and 3 had to be completed.
I am plead 3 weeks time, your lordship, to file affidavit. Short affidavit.
Stop. Next, MS and Raji prays him allowed for 2 weeks time for
3
affidavit.
weeks,
Prayers
Lordship.
allowed just after 2 weeks for affidavit and for appearance service report on respondents number 2 and 3.
Obliged, your lordship.
19.
Yes.
I'm praying for some more time.
You got your bangle back.
Yes.
You know what the matter about?
No, Your Lordship.
You don't know? A huge bangle is 107 grams gold bangle. What do you want? Today?
Your Lordship, as they were supposed to file affidavit, so
The doctor was a praise for that for the 3 weeks time to file affidavit. List sir or so and so and so.
20.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I have already taken step for the private respondents, respondent number 3, 4, and 5.
Your Lordship, I require some more time, Your Lordship, to file an affidavit.
Office note dated 4/12/2023 indicates that service report in respect of respondents 3, 4, and 5 has not been received. Stop the paragraph. MSB Jarwa for respondents 1 and 2 praise that without further time. Further how much time?
2 weeks time, Your Lordship.
File affidavit. Stop. Praise allowed this matter for 2 weeks for service report on respondent 3, 4, and 5 and for affidavit. Respond 1 and 2.
Yes, Your Lordship. Much obliged.
Yes.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Hearing 31.
Yes. Who's appearing? You're appearing?
My lord.
Why are you running off then?
My lord, just nature's call, my lord.
You don't have to tell the court that.
My lord has already heard this matter, my lord. And we
I
have
don't remember
just-
anything, Mr. Gautam.
My lord, this matter relates to the extension of the benefits of the Fifth Pay Commission recommendation to work charge employees. Now, my lord, the government of Meghalaya constituted a commission.
1 second. You have heard it? I must have made a note. No note. There's no note. That means.
My lord, we'll start again. We'll start.
Wait, eh?
Lordship, item 31 to 45, they are all analogous matter, Lordship. In some of the matters, the affidavit have not been filed.
But it's analogous, it's similar point of law, then we can
My lord,
just will suffice to for the other cases also.
Yes, yes.
It was point of.
my lord, it is only on the only on one point of law, my lord, in my humble understanding of the matter. My lord, whether a benefit conferred under a statutory rules can be taken away by a notification. Okay. And the basis of that notification was a standing instruction issued by the government to all departments sometimes in the year 1997, requesting concerned departments not to appoint work charge employees after December 1997. Now, my lord, after that notification also, my lord, the Fourth Pay Commission came into existence. The benefits were extended to all work charge employees. Now, my lord, here also, the rules after the recommendation of the Pay Commission was accepted by the government of Meghalaya. Thereafter, rules were framed, my lord. The rules categorically provide that the benefits of the Fifth Pay Commission will be extended to all work charge employees. There is no classification based on the date of entry into service. However, my lord, by the impugn notification, what the respondent has done has taken away the benefits of the Fifth Pay.
Notification.
My lord, The impugn notification is Annexure 9.
Okay. What instructions was supposed to come up with the state?
On the last occasion, your lordships wanted to know what were the actual recommendations of the Fifth Pay Commission. So I had supplied a copy of the relevant documents to show what are the reasonings given by the Pay Commission, upon which the government has implemented the Fifth Pay and also notified the pay revision rules.
Okay.
So, my lord, upon going through, if your lordships has the compilation which I handed over, internal page 189, it discusses the work charge establishments.
189?
Internal page, my lord, second last page.
Lord, I do not have a copy of.
You're supposed to come with a copy?
The website is a public document.
Yes.
It is in fact a voluminous report, my lord. My friend has submitted only the relevant portion concerning the work charge employees.
So 8.7.1, my lord, discusses who are the work charge employees. And 8.7.2 is very important, my lord, because it reads...
One second.
Last page, 8.7.2. These are the reasoning of the work of the Fifth Pay Commission. It reads, work charge personnel are mainly employed in the Public Works Department, Public Health Engineering Department, and to a smaller extent in work, wings or cells, some departments of government such as health, etc. These personnel enjoy all the benefits of pay and allowances to regular employees, admissible to regular employees, including leave as applicable to temporary employees. Therefore, my lord, therefore, the wordings used in the implementation of the Fifth Pay Commission also, it is extended, these pay benefits
Where is
extended
that?
to the work charge. My lord, kindly have the notification in my writ petition.
The rules.
Do you have it here?
Yes.
Mr. Gautam's petition.
Well, I'll just come to it. No? My lord, I've quoted the relevant provision.
Let's see the with notification.
Yes, lordship, if your lordship can have my petition, the next item.
My lord, in para 9, I've quoted the relevant provisions of the rules. That is the Meghalaya.
Page
67. Page 87 or 67, sorry. 67, my apologies. So upon the recommendation of the Fifth Pay Commission, the state government issued an OM dated 1st December 2017 implementing the recommendations of the Fifth Pay Commission. Now, my lord, kindly have 1.2 of the OM.
This is 17.
Yes, Lord. This is the implementation. The revised pay structure shall also be applicable to the members of work charge establishment holding posts and identical pay scales as admissible to government employees of corresponding categories under the regular establishment service post. So this is the OM implementing the recommendation.
Yes.
Subsequently, my lord, at page 84, my lord, the state government, my lord, then notified the rules, my lord, which is called the Meghalaya Service Division of Pay Rules 2018. Page 84, and at Rule 2, again the same wordings, my lord. Save as otherwise provided, if I may read, my lord, by a or under these rules shall apply to the persons appointed to civil services and posts in connection with the affairs of the state of Meghalaya, including persons in work charge establishment holding posts carrying identical scales of pay admissible to corresponding categories of employees in regular establishment. Now, the argument which is being brought forward by them regarding the 1997 deadline, my lord, I will now take your lordships to previously what was being done and what words were being used, my lord. Now, previously also, my lord, if your lordships have page 112
of your writ petition.
Of my writ petition, my lord, next to 60.
Is referring to WPC.
Now this is the pre-revision rules of 1997. Here also same wordings at rule 2, sub-rule 1. From the middle I'll read, including persons in work charge establishment holding posts carrying identical scales of pay as admissible to corresponding categories of employees in regular establishment. This is the third pay, my lord. Same words.
2. Clause 2.
Yes, my lord. Rule 2.
Rule 2.
Yes.
The same thing applies for the fourth
Again,
pay also.
Fourth pay, I do not have the rules, but what I have is the OM implementing the fourth pay at page 121. This is dated 17th September 2009 at page 121 and Exercise 17.
This is rule 1.2.
1.2, my lord.
7 September 2009.
Yes, my lord. So this is the fourth pay recommendation. 2009, again, my lord, same wordings. And fifth pay also, my lord, same wordings. So there's no ambiguity, my lord, that these pay revisions have also benefited the work charge employees.
Which clause is it in this?
1.2, page 121.
Yes, right. 17 September
2009.
Clause
1.2 of page 121. 1.2. Exact same words, my lord. So now, the same wordings have been used in the 2018 rules, my lord, and by way of a notification, my lord, they are trying to misinterpret it.
Where's the notification?
That your lordships will find in my learned friends.
Why you not annexed it?
No, my lord, because my case is slightly different because I was granted, my lord. I was granted the fifth pay benefits. Suddenly, my lord, they stopped it. I came to this before your lordship and I obtained a stay saying that.
So you're getting paid now?
My lord,
as per the fifth
technically
pay
I should be
commission.
getting in terms of your lordship's order, but they're not complying.
You didn't file contempt?
I did, my lord, one round, so they paid, and then again, my lord.
Yes, where is it, Mr. Gautam?
My lord, it is at annexure 9.
Page.
My lord, this is page number 50 to the writ petition, my lord.
52.
50, my lord.
50.
Fifty.
March
23rd March 2021.
Yes. Right. Yeah, what do you want to say?
But as far as this writ petition, my lord, of course, I have this copy, but my lord, the subsequent second writ petition, which my
who's handling it?
My lord, that file is not with me today.
Handled by whom?
Mr. Abraham, my lord. But however, if the file is with me, I can take up the matter, not an issue with that.
My lord,
See, I think there should be some direction from the Advocate General with regard to similar matters taken by one counsel only, not split. It's like splitting the spoils of war among so many councils that.
My Lord,
what do you
if
have to say? Yes. So the case is simple. I mean, that way. There's been repeated recommendations, and now you're resorting back to a notification issued in 1997 to deprive them of what has been given by the rules also.
My Lord, government notification is very clear. There was earlier a notification issued by the government, my Lord, that the work charge appointments are banned. This is a clear indication, clear notification from the government. My Lord, thereafter, some people were appointed as work charge by the PWD. Now, my Lord, on their representation, the PWD has written to the government to clarify whether they will be entitled to that, my Lord, the fifth pay commission recommendations, whether they will be considered as work charge employees, my Lord. The finance department retained its stand, my Lord. It maintained its stand that no, these people are appointed after 1997, so they are simply not entitled. So this is a decision, this is a policy decision of the government.
No, one thing, Mr. Rajai, you have to answer is number one now, this is a notification. Now the rules are made 2018. Okay, so why didn't you amend the rules then? How can notification overcome the rules?
My Lord, my respectful submission will be, my Lord, the work charge employees will not include the work charge employees who are appointed after 97, my Lord.
From where do you get that?
My Lord, this is derived from the clarification which is issued by the Finance Department.
What do you said in your affidavit? This is a stand you've taken there.
My Lord, in my affidavit, my Lord.
What have you said?
I have taken that stand, my Lord.
How would you seek to maintain notification vis-a-vis the rules? Then where's the exception carved out in the rules? See, if you have to say anything, if you have to overcome the rules, because the rules are rules.
My Lord.
Notifications can come later on, but if they're not executive instructions which can be, superseded by subsequent notifications. Right? Now the thing is that now nothing is indicated then is rules in the Fifth Pay Commission, then that should have been brought, because when they sit in these commissions, they always call for suggestions and objections from all the required departments. Now if that was the, the consideration that they have that after 97 should be a cut-off, that should have been brought to the Fifth Pay Commission, that would be reflected in the report. That report is not reflected, the memorandum is not reflected, the rules don't reflect anything. So how do you seek to defend your action?
My Lord, my respectful submission, my Lord, I understand, my Lord, what has fallen from my Lord.
See, you have to go as per law. We're not saying that, you might have your difficulties, but you have to go as per law.
But
if the laws allow it, you won't allow it.
Lord,
if the law allows it, well and good, you take the order.
My Lord, as far as the recommendation is concerned, my Lord, my respectful submission is that, my Lord, recommendations are, my Lord, these are only recommendations. My Lord, they are never binding.
What about the rules?
My Lord, that stage is surpassed, my Lord. The rules under Article 309 are there. These are statutory rules, my Lord. They are the force of law.
Overcome the rules. That's the main thing. So we'll make a rule today, and tomorrow you bring a notification on your advice that this portion of the rule should not be implemented. Is that sustainable?
My Lord, my respectable submission would be, my Lord, that subsequent is of course it is an executive instruction, my Lord.
And?
My Lord, since my friend has relied on certain relevant provisions, my Lord, and of the Fifth Pay Commission, my Lord, if my friend gives me a copy.
We'll have the after tomorrow when
my Lord,
you bring authorities to show that whether notification can overcome set rules.
My Lord.
See, the things rules can give exception also. If that was the consideration of the government that for the anxiety that then you only could have inserted it there. That this will apply, those people applied so and so and view of notification number so and so. That means they whatever expectation you have is extinguished.
If at all it was the intent of the government to make a classification, that classification would have been there in the rules.
Even then, whether that classification would be just as different. Yes, Mr. Kharmi, what do you have to say?
Lordship, one office memorandum is there, Lordship. It's with regard to the implementation of recommendation of the Fifth Pay Commission.
Yes.
That whether it has been
it is there.
Filed on record or not by the...
It is on record.
It is already there.
It is on record.
We have already said that recommendations were made, recommendation was accepted, resolutions were accepted.
Once that there was an instruction issued by the government, my Lord, that henceforth there shall be no work charge appointment. The correct step would have been not to give appointment to any work charge employee.
But they have done it, my lord.
Yes, they have done it. They have paid also.
If my lord will just have the notification of 1997, my lord.
My lord, the petitioners should consider themselves, my lord, I should say consider
Fortunate.
themselves fortunate, my lord. Because in spite of that, they have been given certain benefits. Now, my lord, after a point, the government has realized that some wrongdoing is happening, my lord. So that had to be stopped, my lord.
But you don't do it the correct way, that means it'll remain the same. You bring authorities, you brought it today.
Yes, my lord, we have some authorities.
Yeah.
My lord, this is 2001 SCC 482, Volume 5, Dr. Rajendra Singh versus State of Punjab. The relevant paragraph is para 7. It reads as under.
So that they'll know also what they're up against, yes.
The settled position of law is that no government order, notification or circular can be a substitute to the statutory rules framed with the authority of the law.
Yes.
In this case, my lord, the rules of
The rules will
2018
always prevail.
yes.
That's the only thing, Mr.
Following any other course would be disastrous, inasmuch it would deprive the security of tenure and right of equality conferred upon civil servants under the constitutional scheme. It would be negating the so far accepted service jurisprudence.
Yes.
My lord, this is a 2001 judgment. It has been widely followed, my lord. It's been followed. It's a settled law, my lord. There are no two views on that, my lord. What the rules conferred cannot be taken up by way of a notification. And even if my lord will kindly look at their the notification, the instructions of 27 October 1997, my lord, it is only a general direction to all government departments that henceforth you will not appoint.
No, you see, rules notifications can be issued, Mr. Bharat in furtherance of the rules, not for them to be repugnant on conflict. And if they are to carve an exception, you have to carve an exception by amendment. That is where your case lies. So we have the effort tomorrow on your request, and then with no adjournments.
Lord, can it be on the 8th, Lord? 7th, I have another matter before Lordship, Lord.
No, 8th will be difficult. This course really pressed for time because this course will travel also. It's very difficult.
The second law point I'm raising, I'm citing judgment is regarding my case, my lord, in the second item, wherein, my lord, I was being paid and suddenly one day my pay was reduced to half without an opportunity of hearing. So I'm faced with civil consequences, my lord. So that even otherwise cannot be done without giving me an opportunity of hearing. This is, my lord, reported in 1994, Volume 6, SCC, page 154. Two-page judgment.
154.
Page 154.
Volume.
Yes.
Volume 6.
Okay.
Para 3. Reduction in pay.
Keeper will hear that after tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
It's different when you pay on promotion wrongly fixed. That then even the state can recover if we can justify.
Yes.
Your case is different. It's not a question of promotion or something. It's a question of entitlement, and which has been taken away.
But, can it be on 11th, my lord?
Yes.
Can it be on 11th, my lord?
You're okay. 11th.
No, because 7th, I have another matter before Lordship.
7th what matter you have before this court?
This one matter with Mr. Qureshi.
The matter is part right? It's on 11th. 11th. No further adjournment will be entertained.
Obliged.